So we need to replace side view mirror on the right hand side of the GTI here. So the mirror delaminated from the adhesive here, the tape or whatever they use, and it's gone. So we got a replacement mirror, and let's see about putting that on. So here is a replacement mirror. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. No adhesive things. Got the mirror. Objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. We're actually going to read the instructions. So the instructions give us two options. They say if you have broken glass, you just put these little two-sided tape dealies on there and you just glue the mirror to the broken glass on top of it. Our glass has fallen off, so they say that we can just get a putty knife or something and scrape the old adhesive and then use these to glue the new mirror in place. But here's the issue. There's what's left of the old adhesive. It was one kind of piece cut to shape, and it's smooth. If you're going to start scraping that, it's a nightmare to get all that off. Like right now, it's a nice, smooth, flat surface. So I'm almost thinking that we're better off to clean that off with some isopropyl so that there's no oils or grease on there. We're going to take the back of the new mirror and clean that off with some isopropyl as well. Glue those little sticky things into place and get the stickers on there. So here's some isopropyl and microfiber. So I'm just going to degrease the back of our mirror, same as we did on the car. Iso, microfiber. And the instructions say to glue these onto the mirror. So I think because we only got 4 of these round adhesive patches, we're going to kind of arrange them like so that we have kind of even distribution of the sticky. There's our mirror. I'll peel these guys off. All right.